Okay, at Daiso here it says for the fishing rods 6.5 feet, and you got 1,000 over here. So we look up over here, 1,000 is 15 US dollars. And now you got these small little spinning reels. This is obviously for ultralight, and it says 700. So we go back here again. There you go. 700 is $11. So let's see, we got $11, 15, so be $26 for a rod and reel that is ultralight. Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. You know, the other day I took my wife shopping and we went to Daiso. Yeah, Daiso, and I found some fishing gear for the first time. I mean, there were always some very inexpensive lures. I mean, that's what they had for, I guess, about 2 years. I didn't know they had fishing rods. This was the first. I bought this one. I got this one for 15 US dollars when you convert it. I got a reel. Also, this was for $11. So let me go to the reel first. This one here says it's a 3,000. It's a 3,000 spinner. And according to the label here, it's $11. And this one had 4-pound mono. So this is basically a ultralight rig. Very basic. I took it apart and looked at it. It's about as basic as you can get. But for a ultralight reel, already with the line for $11, I figure, okay, might as well try it. And also got a couple of lures. These were, what were they, like $1 quarter? No, $2.25 each. I think these were $2.25 each. These are rattlers. So I was thinking that give those a try too. This is the one that really intrigued me because I didn't know that Daiso had fishing rods. And just actually, this is the first time I'm opening it, so I don't know if I'm going to be pleasantly surprised or not. But you got to forgive me. I'm tired. I just came in fishing. I left at 4:30 this morning. I just got back. It's noon now. This is definitely an ultralight rod. It's a spinner because you notice that the guides are on the bottom. So your reel will fit here when you hold it. 2 pieces, 6.5 feet tall. Ferrule connection is actually not bad. I'm just testing to see how tight it is. Actually not bad at all. You know, the strength in this here is a decent bend. I would say this is about average. I would say not light, but maybe a medium light. It would be for what it is for $15. I would say this is not too bad. So make sure that this fits, and there we go. It's either one way or the other, right? So, still kind of shocked, but there you go. Actually, not bad. Good feel. You know, it's not a wimpy kind of effect. It's actually not bad. Let me get out of here, and then you can make your own decision. Doesn't look bad at all. So right here we got $15 for the rod, $11 for the reel, and around $2.25 each for these. So Not bad at all. So I'm gonna give this a try. I just wanted to show everybody, hey, look, I got an ultralight rig from Daiso. Isn't that kind of cool?